Okay, so this video is basically just going to be a explanation on how this circuit works. What this is that there's the vacuum tube, the secondary coil, primary coil, and the antenna. When this is switched on, electrons flow from the cathode to the anode through here into B plus whatever your high voltage positive is. In my case, 3 kV at 100 milliamps. And as that electrons flow through, currents induced in here, and that makes a voltage, and as that spike goes through, that induces a voltage in the secondary coil, and as that voltage is induced into the secondary coil, the antenna picks some of that energy up and then goes to the grid, and the grid gets charged and it shuts off the tube. And when the tube gets shut off, it shuts off the primary, which shuts this off, and now there's no longer any more energy to go into this tube, into the grid. And now that the grid is off, electrons can flow through again, go through the primary, induce a current into this secondary, and charge the grid and turn it off. And this happens a lot. I think for this one it does it about 1 million times a second, or 1 megahertz. And what this antenna is for me is it's this piece of copper wire. It just wound around into a spiral. Only one end is connected, the other end is right here, and it doesn't do anything. It's just the end of the wire. It's nothing. It goes to nothing. Just a loop of wire connected to the grid. Now, in a little bit, I might play with some grid leak resistors and capacitors to see if it does anything to improve it. But for right now, I might just stick to this to play with it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.